I'm making a Midlands peach gazpacho. All the veggies in this are from the Midlands region. Most of them are from right here in Ridge Spring, but we source as many of our products as we can within a 100-mile radius of this building. So the gazpacho is cold soup, Spanish in origin, and this is sort of our spin on a gazpacho. It is what I like to call a liquid salad. So we keep everything raw, it's not cooked. Everything is extremely fresh. We've got some onions, some local bell peppers. Then we're going to add some tomato to it. Some cucumber in there as well. And we've got an orange bell pepper here. The bell peppers we got from Titan Farms. Then we've got a tomato. These tomatoes came from a local farm in Saluda called Sylvan Farms. And we get our pork products from Sylvan Farms as well. And all I do is dice everything up. Like I said, no cooking, everything is raw. Put it right in there. I leave the skins on everything. A lot of nutrients and vitamins come from the skins. So we make sure we don't take any of that off. We offer this gazpacho quite often, especially during the summer, but we do different variations. I think last week we made a blueberry gazpacho, so a lot of the same ingredients, but we did local blueberries in there, and this is definitely something, especially in the summer, this really helps cut that South Carolina heat. You'll find this quite often on our menu. And Juniper has been open 14 years. We started right from day one with sort of the farm to table concept and sourcing as many local ingredients as we could. And opening in a small town like Ridge Spring was really important to us because we wanted to be in a farming community. Saluda County and Ridge Spring are very agricultural based communities. So that was extremely important to us to be in a farming community, get to know our local farmers, get to know who we're buying from. We visit the farms that we purchase from so we can make sure their practices and their standards are kind of on par with what we're looking for and what we do here. So cucumber in there. And tomato top. Another thing that is very important to us is being sustainable. That's kind of a big trend right now in restaurants. And we've been striving for sustainability since day one, but we save all our veggie scraps. That goes into a bucket for a local goat farm. Try not to put anything in the garbage if we can help it. All right, so our peaches, and like I said, we keep the skin on these. And that just adds a nice little sweetness to this. Peaches and tomatoes are really good friends. They balance really well together. We've got some mandarin oranges. That just adds a nice little pop of sweetness. Some garlic that we put in there. Some red wine vinegar. A little bit of white sesame seeds and a little bit of black sesame seeds. Those add a nice little crunch to it. And just, they look good. They add a nice color to that. And we've got a little squeeze of lime that we're going to put in there. And some fresh cilantro. So this cilantro we get from Walter P. Rawl Farms. Cut that up and add a little cilantro to it. Then we've got some V8 juice, good old V8 veggie juice in there. And that adds our liquid base to it. So not only is this extremely healthy and great for the summertime, but it's vegan friendly. It's gluten free, kind of hits all those buzzwords for healthy eating, and a little salt and pepper. And then that is it. That is peach gazpacho.